Hello students, welcome back to our discussion. That is, today we will start another lesson, that reproduction. And also Happy New Year to you, all of you. Reproduction. This is our sixth chapter in biology, 10th class, reproduction. What is in this lesson we will learn some points. Those are reproduction, life process. It means reproduction, giving new life to a life process. Perpetuation, it means the organisms from the beginning of the earth. Continuation of life. Offsprings, it means the babies of the organisms. Conjugation, this is one type of mode of giving new birth. It happens in the paramecium. Fission, the organism divided into two daughter cells called fission or more. Budding, fragmentation, parthenogenesis, parthenocarpy, regeneration, vegetative propagation is divided into natural and artificial. Cutting, layering, grafting, tissue culture, spores, tests, sperm, ovaries, fallopian tubes, embryo, fertilization, pollination, cell division, mitosis, and meiosis. All these are some of words new, some of you are very familiar. By this end of this lesson, you will learn all about these words. Learning outcomes. Students can learn by this lesson importance of reproduction. Importance of reproduction. How reproduction is useful for the life living organisms. How continuation of లైఫ్, జీవులు శాశ్వతంగా ఉండడానికి రీప్రొడక్షన్ అనేది యూజ్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ రీప్రొడక్షన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది గ్యామెట్స్. దిస్ రీప్రొడక్షన్ ఈజ్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ ఏ సెక్సువల్ అండ్ సెక్సువల్ and human reproductive structure. Humans, males and female reproductive structure you also learned in your 8th class. And development stages of human embryo. How zygote develop into embryo develop into child, and birth, and birth, how the child birth happens. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In your 7th class you learned flower is a sexual part in plants. It has some ring, some parts. Flower sexual parts. Flower has 4 parts: sepals, petals, androecium, gynoecium are the parts in the flower parts. Its sexual parts are androecium and gynoecium are the sexual parts. Next one, pollination. The male sexual part in flower is pollen grain, falls on the stigma, called pollination. Pollination is divided into self-pollination and cross-pollination. And we will observe in this lesson pollen grain, how the structure of pollen grain. Next, structure of ovule. And next one, seed germination, how seed germination takes place. Cell division, continuation of life, how cell division is useful for the life organisms. we will develop and grow, and in some of our body cells divided daily. That is cell division. It means 120 days takes place for the RBC, red blood cells life is 120 days. After 120 days, what happens? Some of the cells divided in the body. So this cell division useful for not only for the life process, also for growth in our body, some parts. Next, cell cycle. Cell cycle takes place M phase, G1, S, G2. These are the cell cycle parts. Karyokinesis. Next, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means nucleus divided is called karyokinesis. Cytoplasm division is called cytokinesis. Stages in mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis and meiosis are the two types of cell division occurs in the organisms. Mitosis happens in the body parts. మన బాడీలో స్కిన్, రెడ్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎంజైమ్స్, all these are developed from by the division of mitosis. Mitosis is have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. These are the 4 stages in the mitosis. Meiosis occurs in the sexual cells. Next one, reproductive health. Reproductive health. మన బాడీకి రీప్రొడక్టివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ని హౌ వి మెయింటైన్ హెల్తీ. అండ్ బర్త్ కంట్రోల్ మెథడ్స్. బర్త్ కంట్రోల్ మెథడ్స్, హౌ ద ప్రివెంట్ ది బర్త్ కంట్రోల్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ది స్టాప్ ది పాపులేషన్. vasectomy, tubectomy. Vasectomy for the males, tubectomy for the females. Next, fighting against social ills. ఫైటింగ్ అగైనిస్ట్ సోషల్ ఇల్స్. మన సమాజంలో జరిగే దురాచారాల్లో ఇంకొక సోషల్ ఇల్ ఏంటంటే టీనేజ్ మదర్హుడ్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ బిఫోర్ టీనేజ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్, పూర్ పీపుల్ అండ్ అన్నోన్ పీపుల్ హ్యావింగ్ ది మదర్ ఆర్ మ్యారేజెస్, సో దే బికమ్ ఇన్ టు మదర్హుడ్. చిన్నతనంలోనే తల్లి అయితే అలాంటి వాళ్ళలో ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, స్టాప్ ఫీమేల్ పోయిటిసైడ్. స్టాప్ ఫీమేల్ పోయిటిసైడ్, భ్రూణ హత్యలు. అంటే బర్త్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీలో బర్త్ పాప అని సమ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ kill that baby. That is female foeticide. This is also very dangerous to the society. Organisms are not immortal. It means జీవులు అనేవి ఎల్లప్పుడూ శాశ్వతంగా నివసించి ఉండవు. వాటికి some of the days they will die with their age factor or some diseases or accidental. So it happens how the organisms continuation their species. వాటి జీవులను ఏ విధంగా కంటిన్యూషన్గా చేస్తున్నాయి. సో one type of process, continuation the life process. How this happens? That was done by the reproduction. Reproduction means species will be perpetuated. Continuation of die.
To the reproduction system.
That is reproductive system. Humans animals, plants, and lower unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium.
It makes show of species.
The process is occurs by the reproductive structure. Process of reproduction. Process of reproduction
is carried out.
Before we learning the reproduction, what is reproduction? Reproduction means
How will we define the process in simplest words? Let us divide the word itself. The word re means again.
Again.
Production
means making.
So
Again making. What again making? Making something again.
And what is being made here?
What is making again?
Organisms.
That is
Now you may
organisms.
say that the newborn babies
Organisms.
are not exactly the same
The
like
humans
parents.
giving
So how do
the
we say
new
again?
babies
Well,
again.
It is not the same organism, but it is the same species.
The newborn
A mango
baby
tree
not
gives
like
rise to
same
a
the
mango tree,
parents.
while a cat gives
And
birth to kittens.
mango
So this
tree
is what we mean
give
by
the new
reproduction. Producing the
mango
same species
plant.
every time.
And plant
So now the
other
next
organisms
question that
like
pops up in our mind
cats,
is that
dogs,
will
all
the
also
organisms
giving the
reproduce in the same
organisms
manner?
their offspring.
Will
All the
unicellular
organisms
bacteria and
reproductive
huge
in the
whales
same
reproduce
manner.
in a similar
అన్ని
way?
కూడా సేమ్
Absolutely not.
ప్రాసెస్ లో రీప్రొడక్షన్
There
చేస్తాయా?
are several
No.
differences in the body structures and
Because
underlying processes of all organisms.
Some of organisms like amoeba.
This gets us to the two major types of reproduction
Types of
patterns.
reproduction.
The first type is
The
followed by
first
the
type is
unicellular organisms.
unicellular organisms.
Now, since
Example,
it is just
amoeba.
one single cell
Amoeba
that carries out all the
develops
activities, it is
their
obvious
babies
that even
splitting
reproduction will be
into
done
two.
by the same
This
tiny
amoeba
creature. So this
divided
type
into
is the asexual
two.
reproduction.
Two
In this
babies
type, no specialized
and
cells
this
or the
is
sex cells
no
or the gametes will be produced
germs
inside the body.
formation. So this type
The
of
single cell will divide
reproduction
into
is
to form
called
daughter cells.
asexual
And it is
reproduction.
On the
In
other hand,
asexual
in case of
reproduction,
multicellular organisms, the body has specialized cells called the gametes which fuse to form the new
unicellular organisms like amoeba divided into two daughter cells. This happens. There is no gametes takes place. Gametes means sperm, ova, not released in the unicellular organisms. So this type of without gametes forming the new daughter cells is called asexual reproduction. Without forming the new offsprings, by the parental organisms is called asexual reproduction. Next one, sexual reproduction. That is in multicellular organisms they developed from the gametes, sperm and ova. Sperm and ova fertilize together and forms zygote. That zygote develop into baby new offsprings. This is called sexual reproduction.